Hello Sudoku friends, welcome today in the daily newspaper, in the additional of the newspaper on Saturday, March the 21st, 2020. We have here 4 Sudokus, a Sudoku with 1 star, Sudoku with 2 stars, with 4 stars, and a binary puzzle, a binary Sudoku. But we will start first with the 1 star Sudoku. So let's get started. Alright, let me see which number I can use. 4 in this column, 4 in the second column, so in the third column the only 2 places for a 4 is here and there, but I see here 4, no 4 there, 4 should be here. Then this big square, 3 missing numbers. The numbers are 7, 9 and 5. I see here 7, so no 7 in those 2 boxes. 1 box remains for the 7, should be this one. The 9 and the 5 are left. We have a 5 there, so no 5 there. 5 should be here, and the 9 goes there. And then we have a pair here in this big square, 4 missing numbers. The numbers are 8, 6, 1 and 7. I see here 8 and 6, so no 8 and 6 in those 2 boxes, so the 8 and 6 should be here and there as a pair. We have a 6 there, so no 6 there. 6 should be here and the 8 goes there. So 2 numbers left, the 1 and the 7. We have a 7 here, so no 7 there. 7 should be here and the 1 goes there. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 is missing in this third column. The 6 is missing. 8 and 9. 6, 8 and 9. We have a 6 here, so no 6 in those 2 boxes. 1 box remains for the 6, should be here. 8 and 9, 8 and 9. We have an 8 there, so no 8 there. 8 should be here and 9 goes there. Then 3, yes, I see in this big square 4 missing numbers. One of the missing number is a 3 and a 2 and a 1. 1, 2, 3 and a 5. Let's start with the 2. I see here 2, so no 2 in those 3 boxes. 1 box remains for the 2, should be here. Then the 3, 5 and 1, and I cannot fill this yet. Need to wait. 1, 3 and 1, 3 and 5. 1, 3 and 5. That means we have a 3 in this column, a 3 in the third column. So in the second column, the only 3 places for the 3 is here, here, or there. But I see here 3, no 3 there. Here 3, no 3 there. Only place for the 3 should be there. 2 numbers left. For the numbers 1 and 5. We have a 5 there, so no 5 there. 5 should be here and the 1 goes there. The 1 here, 1 there, 1. 1, 2, 1, 3 and 8. 1, 3 and 8. Yes. Hey, my God.
Alles goed?
Yes, yes. Ja. I have
Ja.
computer staat aan. Probeer ook op de nummer.
Wat?
Het is nu 18:05, dus we hebben nog 25 minuten.
Ja, ja. Ik ga even warmen.
Ja. Ik ga even verder met de kant.
Ja, ja, kun je wel.
Okay. Sorry for the interruption. Where's my pencil? Yes. All right. Let's continue. These three numbers are 1, 2, and 9. 1, 2, and 9. I cannot continue it. 1, 2, and 9. 1, 2, and 9. These three numbers, 1, 2, the 3, 9, and 5. 3, 9, and 5. 3, 9, and 5. Those three numbers are 1, 8, 1, 8, and 1, 8, and 3. 1, 8, and 3. Alright, these three numbers 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 9, and those three numbers 1, 5, and 3. 1, 5, and 3. Okay. 2, 2, 2, 2. 5, 5. 5, 9. 5, 9. 3. 7, 3, 4, 4. Ah, the 4. We have a 4 here in this column and 4 in the column next. So then the last column, the only two places for a 4 is here and there. We have a 4 here, so no 4 therefore should be here. 3 numbers left now in the last column for the numbers. 1, 2 is missing, 7 is missing, and the 8 is missing. 2, 7, and 8. 2, 7, and 8. 2, 7, and 8. 2. No. 2, 7, and 8. 1, 1, 1, 1. 2, 2. The 6. Can I do? Yes. 6 in this row. 6 in the second row. So in the first row, the only two places for the 6 is here and there. But I see here 6. No 6 there. 6 should be here. Here also the 6. 2 in this column, 2 in the middle column, so the column next, the only 2 places for 2 is here and there, but we have a 2 there, so no 2 there. 2 should be here. Now we have here the 2, 7 and 9. 2, 7 and 9. 2, 7 and 9. 9. 2, 7. 1 digit left for the 9. We have 2 and a 7. Alright, 7 and 2, 7 and 2. In this first row, we have a 7 there, so no 7 here. 7 should be here, and the 2 goes there. 2 in this column, 2 in the column next. So in the last column, the only 2 places for 2 is here and there. But I see here 2, no 2 there, 2 should be here. 1 digit left in this column for the number 8. Then 2 numbers left in this column for the numbers 1 and 9. We have a 9 there, so no 9 here. 9 should be here, and the 1 goes there. 2 numbers left in this big square for the numbers 9 and 3. We have a 9 there, so no 9 here. 9 should be here, and the 3 goes there. Then these 3 numbers of this big square, or in this column, are for the numbers 1, 6 and 7. 6 and 7. 1, 6 and 7. No, I cannot finish this. 3, 8. 1, 6 and 7. No. The 3, the 5. Here should be a 5. The 4. These 2 numbers in this second row for the numbers 7 and 8. We have a 7 there, so no 7 here. 7 should be there, and the 8 goes there. 7 in this column, 7 in the middle column, so in the column next. The only 3 places for the 7 is here, here, or there. We see here a 7, no 7 there. Here also a 7, no 7 there. 7 should be here. The 8, can I do something with the 8? No. Then these 3 numbers of the third row are for the numbers 4, 3 and 5. 4, 3 and 5. I cannot finish this. Need to wait. 1, 5 and 4. 5 and 4. These 3 numbers are for the numbers 1, 5 and 4. 1, 5 and 4. I cannot finish this. 1, 8 and 3. The 8 and 1, 8. Oh, okay. The 2, the 3, the 9. 9. Yes, we have a match in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 9. We have a 9 here, so no 9 in those 2 boxes. Here 9, no 9 in those 2 boxes. 2 boxes remain for the 9, should be here or there. So in this row we have a 9 here. In the middle row we have a 9 here. So in this row the only place for the 9 should be there. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8 are missing. We have a 7 here, no 7 there. 7 should be there. The 8 goes here. 3 missing numbers. The numbers are 7, 6 and 1. 7, 6 and 1. We have a 7 here, no 7 there. 7 here, no 7 there. Only place for the 7 should be there. 1 and 6. 1 and 6 are left. Here we have a 1, so no 1 there. 1 should be here, and the 6 goes there. 1 number left in this row for the number 6. 2 numbers left in this middle row for the number 6 and 5. We have a 6 there, so no 6 here. 6 should be here, and a 5 goes there. These 3 numbers are reserved for the numbers 4, 8, and 9. 4, 8, and 9. We have an 8 and a 9 here, 8 and a 9, so 1 digit left for the 4. Here we have 8 and 9, 8 and 9. 2 numbers left in this middle column for the numbers 5 and 3. 5 and 3. We have a 3 there, so no 3 here. 3 should be there, and the 5 goes there. 2 numbers left in this row for the numbers 1 and 4. We have a 1 there, so no 1 there. 1 should be here, and the 4 goes there. 2 numbers left in this big square for the numbers 4 and 5. Now we have a 4 there, so no 4 here. 4 should be there, and the 5 goes here. 8 and 9. 2 numbers left in this big square for the numbers 3 and 5. We have a 5 there, so no 5 here. 5 should be there, and the 3 goes there. 2 numbers left in this row for the numbers 1 and 8. We have a 1 there, so no 1 there. 1 should be here, and 8 goes here. 2 numbers left in this row for the numbers 3 and 9. We have 3 there, so no 3 here. 3 should be there, and the 9 goes there. And the final 2 numbers of this big square for the numbers 8 and 9. We have a 9 here, so no 9 here. 9 should be there, and the 8 goes here. So finish in 60 minutes. All right, people. Maybe less because I have an interruption. Anyway, if you like this Sudoku, thumbs up, otherwise thumbs down. You can also subscribe on this channel if you like or if you want. Download the PDF file if you want to make or solve it by yourself. Thank you for now, and I will see you later with Sudoku number 2, a 2 stars Sudoku. Thank you and bye bye.